Sam Altman just crushed Google, Meta, and even Elon Musk. And no one saw it coming. Just days ago, news outlets like NPR, Fox News, CNN, and Vox exploded with headlines. This isn't hype or science fiction, my friend. This is happening right now. And if you're watching this, you're one of the very first people on Earth to hear the truth. Because OpenAI's SORA isn't just another AI tool. It's not a chatbot. It's not a gimmick. It's the single most powerful video model ever built. And the world will never be the same again. I mean, take a look yourself. See this video? This was done in seconds with SORA. See this one? It was also made in seconds. Or how about this one? Can you even tell it's AI? But here's the catch. OpenAI only gave it to billion-dollar studios. They kept it invite-only. Locked behind closed doors. It costs tons of money a month for limited access. They never wanted you to touch it. They never wanted you to profit from it. They wanted it locked away for the elites. Until today. Because for the first time in history, we ripped those doors wide open. And we're handing you unlimited, unrestricted access to SORA AI. That means no invites. No API keys. No throttling. No $20,000 fees. Hey, my name is Venkatesh, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you SORA AI, the only app on the market that gives you unlimited and unrestricted access to the same model that crushed the internet. SORA. So why should you care? Because SORA is not about making fun clips. It's about rewriting your reality. Imagine typing a single line of text. Fitness coach explains how to lose weight. And in seconds, getting a viral TikTok with captions, music, and pro-level editing already done. Or typing, explainer for my SaaS app. And watching as SORA generates a studio-quality walkthrough video you can drop on your website today. Or maybe, a luxury real estate promo. Boom, cinematic drone shots, lifestyle visuals, persuasive voiceover, all in under a minute. It's not just one use case. It's every use case. Ads, testimonials, reels, YouTube shorts, long-form explainers, even full-on trailers. And with Cameo mode, you can even insert yourself into the videos. Star in your own commercials. Pitch your products from a studio you don't own. Or become the face of a viral TikTok channel without ever hitting record. Heck, our customers create and sell those videos for $497 a pop. And they can't even keep up with the demand. Without editing anything, without using stock footage, and without hiring anyone. It's so easy, even a child can generate videos with it. And the crazy part? Videos made with SORA don't just look good, they perform better. Tests show SORA videos get 3 times higher watch time than normal videos. Because they look so real, people can't stop watching. And when people watch longer, the algorithm pushes harder. And when the algorithm pushes harder, you get more traffic, more views, more sales. Think about what that means for you. No matter who you are. If you're a marketer, it means ads that convert like crazy. If you're an affiliate, it means videos that flood your offers with traffic. If you're a business owner, it means promos, explainers, and testimonials without paying agencies. And if you're a beginner, it means your very first video could hit millions of views without a single skill. Because with SORA, you don't need skills. You don't need equipment. You don't need to edit. If you can type, you can create. If you can share, you can profit. And let's be real. This is your once-in-a-lifetime shot. Google will catch up. Meta will catch up. But right now, for the first time in history, you can leap ahead of trillion-dollar giants. You can own the same tool billion-dollar studios are begging for, before the masses even know it exists. So here's the choice. Do you want to sit back, scroll past headlines, and let this moment slip away? Or do you want to grab SORA AI right now, and put yourself light years ahead of everyone else? This isn't just another shiny object. This is bigger than ChatGPT, bigger than VO3, bigger than anything Google or Meta has ever built. This is the tool that makes people scream. This is what I've been missing my whole life. And today, you can own it, without invites, without limits, without paying monthly. Click below now to get instant access. Stack the power of SORA AI behind you. And start creating videos so real, so powerful, and so profitable that even experts won't know what's real anymore. But it gets better. When you create your account now, we will unlock premium upgrades and bonuses worth over $8,440 for you. Instantly. Oh, and if for any reason you don't think SORA AI is for you, no problem. Just shoot us a message, and we will instantly refund every penny you've paid. We already make enough money from SORA AI, no reason to keep your money if you are not using it. Do not wait. Because once we hit our server's limits, we will have to shut down access, and you will be left behind forever. Moments like this only come once. And this time, the entire future of AI video is sitting right in front of you. Click now, and step into the new reality with SORA AI.